All right, one more time. Like, share, repost, and comment. They are taking my stuff down left and right, and I'm just trying to help you guys. I linked the book right here down below. Click on it, put it in your cart, do whatever you got to do. But I'm going to show you what this book says about a certain topic that I am getting blown up for, and I absolutely want to help. Here is the table of contents. Screenshot and tell me in the comments what you want to see. Pain management, what to avoid, Western medical approaches, vitamins and minerals, lifestyle changes, diets, and natural remedies. You guys, we have it right here in front of us. We do not need doctors shoving it down our freaking throats and charging Medi-Cal up the ass for a Band-Aid. Natural remedies. CBD is a huge one. Turmeric. Screenshot, record, share. There's so many people that need this stuff. Vitamin and minerals. These vitamins help with chronic pain. What to avoid. And a freaking schedule. You guys, they give you a schedule in the book. Grab it up right now before you can, before they take it off of the TikTok shop. Grab it.